Here I've got OUKITEL WP2 and let me show you how to activate low power solution on the following device. So at first, you have to open list of all applications, then find and select the settings, then go to the battery, which is here, and now smoothly by tapping on this icon you can activate low power solution. Then if you would like to switch battery saver off, tap on the same icon one more time and now it's off. You can also click on this side of battery saver and now you are able to set some automatic rules. Smoothly click on turn on automatically and select on which level of the battery power saving mode should be automatically activated. I will pick 5%, so from now on every time the battery is lower than 5%, power saving mode will be automatically activated. Then you can also have a quick access to power saving mode through the upper bar. Simply slide it down and locate power saving mode icon, which is here. Just click on it and now it's on. Then click on battery saver one more time to switch off this option. And that would be all. This is how you can activate and use your device in low power solution. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.